Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we explored rules, knowledge and the agent manager in Google Antigravity. Now, in this video, we will focus on another important setup step, which is connecting your Google account. We will see why this connection is needed, how to complete it, and what it unlocks inside Antigravity. Let's begin with the obvious question. Why does Antigravity need your Google account at all? This connection is not just for signing in. It helps you enter the Antigravity workspace, enables browser-based and workspace-driven features, and prepares the platform for actual building and testing. So, this step is really about unlocking the full Antigravity experience. Before you connect your account, let's make sure a few basics are ready. You should already have Antigravity installed locally, a browser available, a personal Gmail account, and a stable internet connection for authentication. Once these are in place, the connection flow becomes very straightforward. Now, let's look at the actual connection flow. First, launch Antigravity and choose your setup path. Then click on Sign in with Google, complete the browser authentication step, and return to Antigravity. Once this is done, your account is connected and you can move ahead into the workspace. An important thing to understand here is that Antigravity is designed to keep this connection controlled and reviewable. Authentication happens through Google Sign-in, and Antigravity also allows you to define review and execution policies. On top of that, browser-based work can run in a separate Chrome profile, which helps keep your normal browsing environment separate from agent activity. Once the account is connected, Antigravity starts to feel like a real working environment. You get access to your workspace, entry into the agent manager and editor, browser agent setup for testing workflows, and a ready state for further integrations. So, this step is what turns Antigravity from a setup process into a usable platform. This connection matters because Antigravity is built for much more than just writing code in one place. It can launch browser-assisted tasks, help test websites, validate workflows, and keep development organized through the workspace. So, if you want to actually build and test inside Antigravity, account connection is a foundational step. Before we wrap up, it is always a good idea to verify that everything is working properly. Check that Google Sign-in completed successfully, Antigravity opens your workspace, both the agent manager and editor are accessible, and the browser setup prompt appears when needed. If all of these work, then your connection is complete and Antigravity is ready to use. So, that was the process of connecting your Google account to Antigravity. The main takeaway is simple. This step does much more than just log you in. It gives you access to the workspace, enables browser-based workflows, and prepares Antigravity for building, testing, and deeper integrations. In the next video, we will continue exploring the platform further. Thank you for watching.